Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to finish your Cornell notes on totals today. Essentially, you just open up your notes. Mine looks a little different than yours. Um, but all of your notes, make sure to label them, but all of your notes go in this section here. So everything you write down while you're taking your notes uh, goes over here, right? Uh, And so I think the first slide on these notes is just what the acronym stands for. So once you have all your notes down in this section, then you have to do your interactive column. So your interactive column can be a question, it can be a drawing, it can be whatever you want it to be that interacts with just that one section of notes. So, right here I could put a question that says, what does totals stand for? Okay. And then you just do that for each slide. So, you'll have about 7 different questions or different things that you're doing with each section of notes all the way down here. And then you get to the summary. There's not a whole lot of information to summarize for these notes, but we'll start with our summary with 3 basic rules. And the first one would be no I, right? So no personal pronouns like I learned this or I learned that. Keep that out of it. Um, use your own words. So try to use you're going to use words that are in the notes as well, but try to use your own. And then best English. So try, use periods, question or punctuation, capital letters, all that good stuff. It's not a text message, right? And this summary is going to be really short. Like I said, there's not a lot of information, so 2 to 3 sentences is all you're going to need for this summary. All right, hopefully that helps.